At the Lake Oljoro-orok Resort Park Lodge, there are several conference facilities to suit all meetings and seminar needs. There are conference halls big enough to host 150 to 200 people and smaller halls for smaller number of participants and boardrooms. The meeting rooms are equipped with state-of-the-art equipment, LCD projectors, PA systems, flip charts, and complimentary writing material. A sumptuous meal is prepared according to the guests' needs, and the resort provides free Wi-Fi facilities for all its guests. The resort also provides breakout areas, perfect lawns where tents can be set up for a different atmosphere. A restaurant at the conference center is also available to ease time management during meetings. Lake Oljoro-orok Resort Park Lodge, where fine dining meets nature.